Hey, this is Szara from Szara Dental Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you, this is part 2 of a series. I'm going to show you how I make a band larger if it doesn't fit. For example, I'm going to place a band on this tooth, and I picked out the largest band I can possibly find. And I'm going to put it on, and if you put fingertip pressure onto the band to push it down, it should fit. But unfortunately, you can see right there that it's stuck. This side it's not going down either, so this band needs to be widened. So what I'm going to do to widen the band is take a pair of scissors and cut the band right where I know that somewhere along the line, for this is going to be a Hyrax, there's going to be a bar right here that's going to be able to solder to it, the Hyrax, so that's going to be a strong point for the solder joint. So I'll go ahead and fingertip push this back on. So basically you can see that's about how much distance I'm missing to make this band fit on the model correctly. So I'm going to carefully remove it, and I'm going to make this band larger. So what I'm going to do to solve this issue of expanding the band and replacing the band material, instead of buying band material, I'm going to just create band material by just breaking up another older band. So what I'll do is I'll cut it in the smallest part, and instantly I've got band material. And this part right there is obviously the thicker part, so I can use that and it's the right size. Or I can use the material like this and close up that depth, close up that gap. So what I'm going to do for my band material is I just need a piece of it. I don't need this whole thing. And using my spot welder, I will spot weld the pieces together. So first I line it up and add my new material to the existing band. And here you can see that it's spot welded to the band. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. So I'll measure a couple of millimeters away the distance I'm going to make up on my band, and I'll go ahead and spot weld. You can see what the inside of the band looks like, and that'll all be finished in the finishing process with a cutter. I'll just be able to trim it up and make the inside look just as flush as the outside. I'll cut off the excess material with a set of just hand scissors. And now I'm getting ready. I should be almost ready to trial seat my band onto the model. Now remember, you want to seat your band with fingertip pressure. So if I did this correctly, and I did widen the band correctly, I should be able to just push it on. And I also use a lab knife just to help push it down just a touch so I can make it perfect. In my next video in this series, I'm going to show you the exact same thing on how to widen a band, but this time it's going to be different because I don't use a spot welder. So let's say you didn't have the money to afford a spot welder, but you needed to widen a band and you don't have bands. The next video is going to help you with that problem. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you in the next video.